we want to make it a collective wisdom. And
Mhm.
oftentimes, and even though we're coming from a parent support perspective, I may call and get the voice of the parents last because I want the energy of freshness and newness and closer in age first. Then I will move around the room and do it. But it's really some front loading that we're excited to talk about the future. There is no right or wrong answer. The sky is the limit. No money should be concerned. No program should be concerned. What does Ivy really want when she grows up? What does Ivy like today? What makes Ivy happy? What makes Ivy sad? And if we find out what you want, what your gifts are, what makes you happy, what makes you sad, then we can build a plan to minimize the sadness, embrace the goodness, and look to the future. And in the future, I look at life domains of career, ongoing education, housing, and financial. So I put those bullets up there or those bubbles up there as we navigate and we move on.